Hello everyone, let me quickly show you how a lithium battery is made inside our factory. First comes cell sorting. Each battery cell is precisely tested for capacity, voltage, and internal resistance. Only cells with consistent parameters are allowed to move on to the next process. Next is module stacking. Cells are arranged according to the design layout, and the foundation for stability and consistency in the next stages. Then we move to a critical step, welding. Using automated welding equipment, we ensure every weld point is stable, reliable, and durable. After welding, every weld point is inspected, checking its appearance, strength, and conductivity. Anything that doesn't meet the standard will never move on to the next process. Next, the BMS and casing are assembled. A structure is secured and sealed. We also carry out a series of inspections and aging tests to ensure the battery operates reliably in all kinds of environments. If you'd like to learn more about energy storage, feel free to leave a comment. In the next episode, I'll walk you through it in more detail.